Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Strong gains in U.S. equity markets yesterday, and the easing of fears following Pelosi's visit to Taiwan helped lift most Asia-Pacific stocks, with Hong Kong leading with a 2% rally. The regional rally was not attended by India, Australia, Taiwan, or Australia. Today's Stoxx 600 is moving higher. The Stoxx 600 was flat from yesterday through the week. Futures in the USA are slightly firmer. The greenback is exchangeable against major currencies of the Antipodeans. Encouraged by the rise in U.S. yields, the Japanese yen has been reducing its gains. After touching $1,750 yesterday, gold is close to $1,780. September crude oil dropped to nearly $90 per barrel yesterday, but is now stable at $91. Asian Pacific market. China continues its live munition harassment campaign against Taiwan today, and reports indicate that there has been some disruption to air and sea traffic. Pelosi's trip was not welcomed by the Biden administration at first. The military had not considered it the right time. Biden reportedly said to Xi that Congress is an independent branch of the government. Positive news from Australia this week was captained by a larger-than-expected June trade deficit. Tomorrow's RBA monetary policy statement will be released. After falling to $0.6885 yesterday, an 8-day low, the Australian dollar has extended yesterday's recovery. Yesterday's 134.55 was a rebound from Tuesday's JPY 130.40 two-month low to the dollar. The dollar is consolidating below yesterday's high by 1 yen today. Market of Euro. On Tuesday, the euro fell further and yesterday saw sell-through selling that brought it down to a 6-day low. Today's euro is slightly firmer, but it remains below $1.02. It remained above $1.02 despite being firmer today. 2.15 billion euros worth of options are expiring today. Sterling traded in the $1.2150 range, or about a quarter of a cent, before the outcome of the BOE meeting. You will notice that there will be a debate later today between Truss and Sunak, the Tory leader contenders. The polls continue to show the former leading. The Czech central bank will likely raise its repo rate by 25 BP to 7.255%, following the Bank of England's move. Market of America. Canada today reports June building permits and trade figures, but they aren't usually market movers. Tomorrow, Canada will report July jobs data, just like the U.S. The Canadian dollar is more of a risk asset than a petrocurrency. The CAD 1.2830 area is the first support for the U.S. dollar, with the nearest cap at CAD 1.2860. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.